Fashion is a lifestyle. It's a choice. It's a freedom of expression. You have to live it. You have to love it. You have to breathe it. Life's all about love and glamour. Let's get glam. Glam, 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 glam. Let's get glam. Glam, glam. Walk, turn, pose, stop, give what you got. Put those hips side to side, get that ankle right, right. Paint your face like a movie queen. Another dream on a fantasy. Anything goes, gotta be the same. Create your look out of fashion book. Ready, set, now go. Let's get glam. Don't let the clothes wear you. Let's get glam. It's on how you want to get glam. Don't let the clothes wear you. Let's get glam. It's on an attitude. Now snap. Now snap. Here we go.
Austin them keep doing your thing, let the boys keep slipping, man. I'm not into gymnastics, but I'm into flipping things. I thought they told me that it's all about the team, trolling and dipping, man. So if you wanna join the team, now tell me look at this thing. I saw her walking down the street, she looked so